very interested in developing this pilot study under the umbrella of the EBMA. It's aimed at applying one standard clinical reasoning methodology to senior medical students, and then to assess or to find out about the level of satisfaction that the students have with this training tool, apart from the analysis of data that we can gather by our specialists in psychometrics. The potential participants would be all the medical schools affiliated to EBMA, to EBMA. The target will be the medical students belonging to the final years of schools, and the pilot will consist of the administration of 20 clinical cases belonging to these areas: pediatrics, cardiology, gastrointestinal disease, respiratory diseases. We are also looking for the collaboration of all the medical schools for the generation of the medical contents for this pilot. So the project itself will have three phases. The first phase will be aimed at the development of clinical cases. The second stage will be aimed at the developing the educational experience with the medical students, and then the final stage will be addressed to the analysis of the data obtained from the results, from the students, and from the questionnaire surveys that we're going to conduct to the medical students. I think it will be very valuable for medical students to have such a clinical tool, to train clinical reasoning. All the cases are challenging clinical cases that reflects real life situation, and they can benefit from the use of the platform.
And then their tool is really nice in providing very detailed feedback on your choices. And they've done that really nicely with nice IT support. So it's really, and they've done this for many years now for continuous professional development and CME.
The idea of introducing students to managing uncertainty and complexity is very welcome. The General Medical Council in the UK has now included this in their outcomes, that we need to get students to realise that life is not about best of 5. The patient doesn't come and say, which of the following 5 do I have? So cases evolve. So to get students to engage with software, we have had difficulties. There's some sort of software overload. There's a lot of things on their iPads now.
I find this tool very addictive, so I wouldn't be concerned so much about the feasibility or the compliance of the students with the tool.
How do schools use it? Where do they integrate it? Where in the curriculum do they use it? How do they, what's the practical case studies in how it can work? And I think many schools can learn from that.
I'm not sure what your plan is for the 20 cases. Would you like to administer them concurrently in one session?
No, but probably we can talk with every medical school about the way they want to apply.
Okay.
For instance, the idea of EMIR is excellent. To meet the students and to discuss the cases. But we have had, for instance, another idea for the University of Spain to let the student to solve the clinical cases, for instance, 2 clinical cases per week, and then to have a session with a mentor to discuss the case.
Yeah, increasing the number of specialties will require some increase in the sample size.
Can you not call them internal medicine cases?
Good. Yeah.
So 20 internal medicine cases.
Yeah.
But maybe we can expand the topics within internal medicine.
I think one of the issues that we need to be aware of, this is a European board, and it represents lots of different systems of delivering healthcare. And in some primary care is important, and in others it isn't. So I think it's important for the study that we use, if you like, non-contentious areas that each country can recognise. Now you could put this all into internal medicine.
How do you cover all the different use on on different diseases in all those different countries.
But this is the challenge.
Yeah, I know it's a challenge, but I was
Can I
wondering how
answer
they
that for
solve
you,
it.
Eduardo?
Yeah.
I think one of the best features of this tool is that sometimes you have more than one correct answer.
Okay.
And you have the opinion of different experts supporting each one of these alternatives. So you really have a very in-depth look into the cognitive processes of the experts and how they do their clinical reasoning. So it's not so much, the single best answer thing, but really an exercise on how doctors think.